Kofax AP Essentials is a cloud-based SaaS solution for invoice capture and AP automation. With a large number of production customers and a large volume of invoices processed each month, the AP Essentials solution utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning to train itself and repeat user actions. Several ready-made ERP integrations are available. However, AP Essentials is considered an ERP-independent solution that can interact with any ERP or system of records. With a quick implementation model, you can be in production within days or weeks, not months. Kofax AP Essentials is a turnkey solution for invoice capture and AP automation. I'm now logged into AP Essentials as an AP staff member, and the landing page will show me invoices that have not yet made it to the ERP system. These invoices are pending some sort of manual verification. I'm going to go ahead and open one invoice here to show you what the user interface would look like. This is a very easy to work with screen where you have the invoice image in the middle here. You can zoom in and out using your mouse scroll wheel, and you can see to the right the fields that have been extracted and validated. In this case, this is a purchase order based invoice, and all the fields, header fields, footer fields, and also line item columns have been successfully extracted and validated. You can see that indicated by the green check boxes on this document. A document like this would not stop in this manual verification process and would go straight to your ERP system for further processing. However, in cases where there are validation errors or questions or uncertainties, the AP Essential solution will guide the users to where the question or error occurred. In this case, on this purchase order invoice, there is a question on row number 3. As you can see indicated by the yellow frame, there is a question around the quantity and the pricing of this invoice. If I click in this field, I can see that there is a mismatch of quantities. So in this case here, we're performing a two-way PO match using master data. We're also doing an amount validation, which means we take the quantity times the unit price to equal the extended amount. And you can see here 10 times 23.18 is not 0. So if I look and review the invoice document, I can see that the incorrect column has been extracted. So now I'm going to show you a very powerful AP staff member function where you can draw the line items and teach AP Essentials on how to extract line items on a specific supplier. By using this very easy to use step-by-step guide, you just box around the values that appears in corresponding columns. So I'm going to map this out and now correct and say that I'm looking for the shipped quantity over the ordered quantity. And I keep filling out this wizard here. And what I will get in return is a fully extracted document and also an update so that invoices from this supplier that arrives in the future will now extract the ship quantity. The validation error disappeared, and it will train, learn, and remember these user actions. You can also see if I click on this magnifying glass that I can bring up the actual purchase order by use of master data, and a two-way match was now possible. If we look at an expense invoice, meaning an invoice that did not come from a purchase order, you can see that it extracted the fields in the same manner. It extracted the line item, but you also have the accounting tab here, which will allow you to perform GL account coding. So I'm going to code this charge to a general ledger, and then I'm going to assign it to a specific department and also a cost center. So in this case, this is maintenance for the cost center operations. This invoice is now coded and the cost is distributed. The next step in line here would be to approve this invoice. This can be automatic, or it could also be a manual task. Based on, for example, the department or cost center or the total amount of the invoice, it can be routed to one person or another person. So you have the options to automatically trigger, for example, an approval chain, which means these users have individual spending limits, in this case Jennifer being the final approver. You can also have the AP staff members to assign an invoice to a person or a group of people if they are aware of who is next in line. Or you can have this to be fully automated, and notifications will be sent to the approval users to approve the invoice and push it forward towards payment in the ERP system. Included with Kofax AP Essentials is the analytics dashboard that'll provide you with key performance indicators on how your users are performing, where the documents currently are located in the process, volume reports by supplier, and also identification rates against your vendor master and individual field extraction rates. This all contributes to your overall understanding of the performance of your solution. Kofax AP Essentials delivers the promise of AP automation. With this purposely built SaaS solution, you will see a fast return on your investment and a low total cost of ownership. AP Essentials is a mature and capable solution for invoice processing and AP automation. You can expect low error rates thanks to its best-in-class cognitive capture capabilities. Kofax AP Essentials offers a broad range of ERP integrations for a streamlined, low-cost invoice processing and AP automation solution. Thank you for watching. Please visit kofax.com for more information.